Have you ever wanted to create a Mario game, or like a Mario type game? Well, if you're a game developer, you probably have. But have you ever wanted to do it in an entire hour? Well, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Alright, so once I click this timer and start it, the timer will start, and I've got an hour to make the game. Alright, ready, set, go. Oh, shoot. Okay, go. Alright, so background has to be changed. Let's do this. Yeah, I've got just a random Mario background. Alright, it doesn't show the entire thing. 800, and just like that. Now we want to make a bit of map belly. Good. Look at that, it's looking great. Alright. I believe I have a sprite. Alright. I've got a sprite right here. Yep. Mario. And boom. Mario. Alright. So now I've got the sprite. The main character sprite. Now we need to do some of the coding. Alright. So if we go to @on key and then get rid of that. Alright. I've already got this now. And if key equals keyboard right, step 1. Alright, it can't move backwards, it can't do anything else, but it can move forward. Alright. Now, we want to do that again. Okay, now we can jump, we can move. Alright. Now let's go to the games category. We want to make it a bit more bigger, about that size, and we want the camera target to go to Mario. Alright. Now, we want to make a bit of the platforming stuff. Alright, so that's basically like this, by jumping onto that and like that stuff and everything. And the timer, oh, we're already 4 minutes in, right up there. Alright, 4 minutes in already. We're going at pretty good pace right now, that's good. Oh no, erase that. I want to add it with bricks. Got it, boom, alright. Now, we can just move. We can jump up that. Alright, this is pretty good. I think this is pretty good. Yep. Now, we need to add the parts where you jump up. And there. Then, I believe this is where the first pipe is. So, we can just add a pipe by going like this, grabbing the green, and doing that. Alright, oh, I messed that up. Grab the bricks, and that. And then, I'm going to trim this part off, right here, and here. And then, make it a block, whoops, change that to the grass. And make it 1 block bigger, yep, just like that. Alright. So those are the pipes, let's test that out. Should be able to do it. Gotta get past a few Goombas here though. There. Alright, perfect. We can start making more of the platforming part. And we're going to be doing that by... Wait, how big is the game right now? Oh, this is the end of the game, dang. I'm gonna have to make it just a bit bigger. Yeah, 3,000 is good. And then we've got to add the little staircase it has right here. And it's 5 blocks up, so right now we're at 4. 5, alright. And then we've got a huge jump to the finish line, just like that. And so by doing that, we're going to create a sprite. I haven't been doing much coding yet. It's because I have to do a few game stuff. Let's add a new sprite, and let's name it Flag grab it, and oh man, wow, what a great sprite that is. Alright, now I'm gonna make it like that. 1, 2, 3. Move it so it's there. Perfect. There. And now I need to make the castle thing. Just like that. And there's a little area right here as well. Perfect. Alright, now I need a little entrance thing. And that's probably the best entrance one. Let's do that. Yep. Alright, perfect. Now, let's do the flag. Let's name it flag. Flag. Now, there. Go to the flags code, add on collide. Alright, now we gotta do Mario. On collide with Mario. Gotta put our code right there. So it's going to do so we need to name something called widgets. It's gonna be called a dialogue. Let's call it the end. Alright. And our text is going to show right here. It's going to show we gotta put quotes right there, and we gotta put in you won. Click to restart. Click to restart. That's gonna be the code. You want to click to restart. Alright, now it doesn't restart. That's the thing. So on confirm basically means when you press that button right over here, when you press this button, it'll do that. Alright, so how much time is left? Oh my gosh, we're already a fourth of the way in. Alright, we gotta go. It's going to wait, nope. Game dot reset. There. We gotta put the things there. We're done with that. Nope, we're actually not. There's one last thing I want to do. We gotta hide it. There. It's not hide. Now we've got to do this function. Function name is going to be called show dialogue. Boom. Show dialogue. And then it's going to at show. But otherwise it always hides. And there. So now we go to here. We want to do show dialogue. Show dialogue. Oh, there's nothing there. Yeah. There's nothing there for that. I'm going back to the code. What did I do wrong here? I can name it the end. And that's going to be what it's called. We can go to flag and the So there seems to be something wrong here. So if we do function name equals show the end. There. Yep. Now we'll just do at show. So I just put it in the wrong area. Alright. That's good. That's good. Alright. show the Still doesn't seem to work. I have no clue why. Going to have to go through. So I was thinking, what if we did this? Alright, so I've already wasted 3 minutes on this, 2 minutes on this, so I gotta find a way to do it. Alright, so I thought, what if when we collide, then we do dialog.show. So we gotta do the end dot show. That should work. If that doesn't, then I don't know what will, and we're just going to have to get rid of the dialogue. Hopefully we don't need to get rid of the dialogue. We've already spent too much time on this. Alright. Ooh, this might work actually. Yes! Alright. It worked. Alright. So now it shows the dialogue. And yep. So that finally worked. And then it should put Mario. So Mario. Oops. Mario dot set x to, and then we want to put it at this. So 2,896. 2,896. 96. There. Boom. And that should work as well. If we collide with that. Yep. It's looking pretty good right now. And once we're done here, U1 click to restart. Alright. There. So yeah, we went onto the castle. That's good. Now we want to, oh, and it resets the game as well. That's good. That's good. Alright. Now we want to add Goombas. Alright. That's the Goomba face, if you didn't know. Alright, we need to name this Goomba and make it a bit bigger because I drew it way too small. So, I know how to do that. I know how to code that. I'm not that bad at coding. Alright. So first we need to call this Goomba. Goomba. Then do at set scale to, let's try 3 times the size. Alright, now let's go over to where the Goomba is. Hopefully it works. Oh, look at that Goomba! Way too huge. What if we did 2 times the size? Let's try that. Looking pretty good right now. Got it. That actually is not bad. That's actually not bad at all. Just gotta do that. And then now we can put some code in for this. Run. And it should loop that. It should just keep doing that. And what? Let's try like 900 because that was not going anywhere for some reason. What? Let's try 50. No, not 50. I'm sorry. 150 is what I meant. And well, nothing's happening there. So what if we kept the scale to normal, but we just did that again? Let's show what happened. Please work. Oh, it's working, kind of. Now let's try 200 because it didn't make it all the way through. Alright, going pretty good. And what? What is going on? Yeah, this game has a lot of bugs, I guess. Oh shoot, we got 34 minutes left. Okay. So now let's make it so then if you hit the Goomba, so let's go into Goomba code, Mario code. On collide. Alright, now we gotta put in Goomba. Nice. Then we do at destroy, and then we do the exact same thing that we did. We add a widget, we add a dialog, we call it you lost. You lost. It's going to say you lost. That should work. Come on. Alright. Just gotta purposely hit the Goomba now. Alright, if we purposely hit the Goomba, you lost. Alright. Perfect. Now, we want to make it so then we want to have more Goombas. Yeah, we want way more Goombas than this. So go into the settings of Goomba, press duplicate. Nice, we got a duplicate of Goomba. And now we need to go to the Mario's code and do this all over again. Alright. Now we've got to get a Goomba way over here, so where is the Goomba? Right here. Duplicate. There should be Goomba 3. Why is it way over there? Oh yeah, because Goomba 2 was way over there. Got it right all the way to the front now. That's great. Why is it not stepping 500? Oh wait, it needs to step negative, yeah. Yes, so all this stuff that was going on was because I put it the wrong way. Alright, so that's great. At least I figured it out, alright. Because negative goes this way, and it was originally going that way, the other way. I want it to go this way. So that's just how that worked there. And now at least I know what's going on. Why that was happening. And one last one, boom. Alright. Ah! You lost. Look at it, zooming. Alright. Okay, that one is pretty difficult actually. Alright. Now that I've got that, I can just do one thing now here. Coins. So we're going to add coins randomly everywhere. Oh, we're past halfway now. Wait, let's look. Yep, past halfway. I've got to go. Alright. Get coins. We go to widgets, add a new. It's going to be a counter. Yep. And we're going to call it coins. There. And then we're going to have it right up here. Oops. We're going to have it right up here. And we're going to set the value to 0. Yep. We're going to do coins dot value equals +1. good. Right there. Alright, and now oh shoot, jump. Alright, I jumped over it. Jump. Alright, nice, I'm good. I'm actually cooking. You won! Click to reset. Alright. So, there. Alright, oh, I just jumped over the Goomba. Alright. Now we've got to duplicate this, right? And I'm thinking of adding one right here. And thinking of adding one right here as well. So let's duplicate. And let's go over to back to sprites. Move over to here. Grab this. Drag it over to here. And a bunch of talking there just to get it over to here. Nice. I'm thinking of adding one right over here now as well. So duplicate coin number 2. Duplicate. Go over to the coin. Grab it. Drag it over to where I want it. So if you get past all those pipes, you get to collect that. Then I'm going to have one right up the hill. Right up this little hill. Duplicate it. Grab that. Drag it to where I want it to go. And we're good. Alright. Almost done. Alright. 23 minutes. Alright. I'm locked in. Alright. So I've already spent an entire almost 40 minutes coding this. And I've got all this stuff here. I just playing around with the code. Yep. Of course I did. Alright. I've got to do plus equals 1. Now, equals plus 1. Okay, now I've got to do that for every single coin now. That's great. Okay, going at a pretty good speed though. It's not like it's gonna change anything. I'm going pretty fast. Alright, plus. Hopefully that's what makes it work. Because I think I did actually do that wrong. There. And the final coin. Oh, it already has that. Okay, so now if I did this correct, which I didn't, let's do this then. What if we did that? Wait, what if I did something wrong here? So that's coin. I did that wrong. Wow, that was the only one that I did wrong. Yep, it works now. Yep, only one I did wrong. Oh wait, we don't want it to allow gravity. So these ones that are just floating need to have gravity. I mean, don't need to have gravity. So allow gravity off. Nice. And I don't want this to get deleted or anything. I'm saving it. That'd be horrible. So let's go to coin number 1. Is that floating? No. Coin number 3? No. 4? Nope. Alright. Got it. Now, should we add some sounds? Yes, we should. Fail. That sounds actually really good. Let's add that. Fail. Alright. And so for the Goomba's code, or when you run into the Goomba in the Mario's code, fail dot play fail dot play. Oh, I did slash. Fail dot play. Yep. Fail dot play. Oh, I forgot parentheses down here. That would be bad. It won't play it. And fail dot play. And that sounds good. Yep, that looks good. Alright. Now let's add another one and call it collect coin. Yeah, that sounds good. Collect coin. Nice. Right. Go over here. Collect coin dot play. We got 19 minutes. There's an itch on my nose. Sorry. Alright. Collect coin dot play. I'm hurrying up. We don't have much time. Collect coin dot play. Collect coin dot play. All of these are good, right? Yep. One last one. Collect coin dot play. Good. We've got all this now, and when we jump, we need to add a sound. So let's call it yeah, this sounds good. I'm gonna call it jump. I'm gonna call it jump. Yep, it's called jump. And when you click on the keyboard up, jump and jump dot play. That sounds so funny. But we've got some Alright, it makes a noise. Nice. Now when you win, it's going to make a noise as well. So, flag. Now we gotta do widgets, sounds, add new. Let's do happy collect. That sounds good. What's it gonna be called? It's gonna be called win sound. Oh my gosh. How much time? 17. Okay, that might be enough for it. Win sound dot play. Almost done. Here we go. And let's look at this. Yep. Game's looking pretty good. Alright. Just love the funny little I couldn't get that. No! Alright. Got it. Part. Oh, that's a shame. And might just be done almost. Let's just search up a few things that we could do. Let's look at this. Mario Bros. Right, stuff. Yeah, there's stuff. It's not saying stuffed animals. Alright, well, 15 minutes. That's great. I've got an entire fourth of my time left, actually. That's good. Game. Okay, so I'm going to also add a few more things into the Mario code. I'm going to make it so that if you click the W key equals key keyboard dot right, D. Add step. Let's see if that works. Oh, keyboard. I need to do keyboard. There. Still doesn't work, alright. So just get rid of that idea. Another failed idea. I don't know if I can exactly add lore. Well, I could try. Watch this, ready? Alright. So I'm going to add a dialogue. I'm going to name it lore 1. Alright. It's going to say, it used to be all sunny. Alright. It's going to say that. It used to always be sunny. Alright. But then, it's going to say, but then Bowser changed everything. Get to the end to save the world. That's what it's going to say. Alright. And so yeah, I'm almost done. So yeah. What?
I'm heading to work.
Okay. I was just doing a video.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I interrupt it? Are you still recording right now?
Yes.
So I'm on the recording?
No.
My voice?
No.
Why not?
I'm too far away.
Oh.
You can't hear from all the way up this way.
But you've got the thing right here.
I know.
Is the microphone on?
No.
What do you have it on for then?
Alright. It's going to say, but then Bowser changed everything. So it's going to be called Lore 2. And this next one's going to be called Lore 3. Lore 3. Now we're done with that. We can actually put in this dialogue now. We've got 10 minutes. Alright. Alright, get to the end to save the world. Get to the end to save the world. Boom. Alright, like that. And that looks pretty good. Now we need to make it so then it goes one after the other. So on confirm, wait. Also we have to do at pause game because we have to pause the game. So display control, and there's nothing. Wow. Alright. So you need to do pause game dot pause. Wow, that's great. So you can't do game dot pause. That's really weird. Alright, so let's go over to here. It says game dot pause. And so if I do game dot pause, there. Oh, it pauses it. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Unconfirm, and it'll do lore 2 dot show. these are going to be hidden. So hide. And hide. And then, if we do the exact same thing here, lower 3 dot show, and then if we do this here, oh my gosh, right, game dot unpause. We gotta see if it works. It used to always be sunny, but then Bowser changed everything. Get to the end to save the world. Didn't unpause. Unpause. Alright. Still doesn't unpause. So what if I did on and then pause? Please. What am I supposed to do here? I got 10 minutes to figure out how I'm supposed to do this, and I can't think of anything right now. So it's just great. So I could. Oh wait. I just had a huge brain fart for those very few time. That very little time. Watch this. That's all I had to do. So now it should work. It used to always be sunny, but then Bowser changed everything. Get to the end to save the world. Yep, it works. This game's actually kind of good. This game is so good. You lost is something I don't want to see. Oh, got it. Alright. Come on, to win! Yes! 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 Let's go! Should always be sunny. Blah 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 blah. Got it. Nice. Almost done. Jump. Oh, nice. To win. Oh, I did something wrong. Here we go. One last thing. Go to coin 4, and look at this. I accidentally messed this up. Boom! I did it! It used to always be sunny, but then Bowser changed everything. Get to the end to save the world. It looks really sunny though in the background, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Jump over that. Nice. 5 coins. And get that. Boom! No one clicked to restart. Oh my gosh. Wait. Guys. However much time is left when I'm done, that's how many subscribers I should get, right? Alright, let's make it a deal. Alright. And I finished, so let's see how much time is left. 6 minutes. 6 subscribers right now. Come on. In my hand. Alright. Yeah, I better see you giving me those 6 subscribers right now.